Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Ophthalmologist Medical System (OMS). Executive Summary. Ophthalmologist Medical System (OMS) is focused on the clinic administration requirement. It will ensure that all the patient records are managed using the system and the appointment reminder to the SMS notifications. The project will fully implemented approximately 3 until 4 months, and the budget for develop the system is around 160,000 ringgit. Project background. Ophthalmologist Medical System (OMS) will provide the systematic management system. OMS make it easy to manage the appointment, check-in schedule, patient booking, manage prescription, and provide the SMS notification. Our uniqueness project is on the booking and managing appointment. Most of the clinic follow token-based system for queue management, and this very difficult for those patients who made the appointment before. So with the implementation of MS, this solved by the integrate the queue management as the patient register for the appointment at the clinic. Patient name is added to the day schedule without have any conflict with the patient who met before. The objective provide the fully functionality system that can be operated for 24 hours per day, deliver an easy system for user to use, ensure that the staff can manage the patient record very well, minimize redundancy of work and manual data entry, and reduce the number of duplicate data. The benefits of MS is fast and exceptionally accurate as opposed to the existing system. The proposed system absolutely no room for redundancy data. The data stored securely and it can be easily retrieved and used in any time. So which all the data regarding of the patient, doctor and the staff will be stored on the database. So it can be easy for access and can be retrieved by the patient and staff and the doctor at any time and anywhere. So this is our use case diagram. We have staff, patient and doctor. Firstly, for the authenticate user, every user that using the system must log into the system. If the patient is already logged into the system, so they will get a notification regarding their appointment schedule. So the authentication will include of logout from the system and reset user password. So the system will provide the reset password using the email verification. So if the user forgot their password, they can reset the new password. Next, for the managed user, each user is involved in the use case is based on the type of user. In our project, we have staff, patient and doctor. So staff limit to register the new patient and updating user information, while doctor can add the new staff data in the system. Next, for the managed appointment. So every new appointment that created by the staff will push a notification to the patient in the form of an email to inform the patient about their upcoming appointment. So the appointment management will ensure that all the appointment information will well organized using the schedule and the calendar. So with this method, we can prevent the duplication issue of appointment data that often occur on the manual system. Next, for the use case do constellation. This use case is to examine the patient. So the examination process begins once the person get to see the doctor. The person who booked for the appointment only able to do the consultation session with the doctor. So the doctor will interview the patient, check for the sign and the system and the symptom, and make the provisional diagnosis. Next, for the use case manage prescription. The use case is to manage the prescription record. It will managed by the staff and the doctor. So the staff will dealing with the medication, so they will view the prescription that written by the doctor. And next, the use case for the managed patient health record. This use case is used by the staff to track the patient health record. So the staff can track the patient information. The system will use the patient identification number for searching and tracking purpose.
Hi, my name is SYAKIR by RAZALI. I would like to present for Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. This is System Architecture for OMS. The purpose infrastructure for OMS is a web-based system. The OMS is developed store all patient, doctor, staff record. This where all the data regarding on the patient doctor, staff are located, and it will extract necessary information from the database. The system is implemented using three-tier architecture that comprises of user interface, process management, and DBMS. All details of visit by patient or medication that we prescribe will store on the DBMS. The ophthalmologist medical system will have several hosts which it will connect to the database using network. The connectivity of all hosts to the network and database will be crucial all the time. The OMS will have backup network which it will immediately be set online in case of network failure. This will ensure that doctor and staff will be logged in different hosts and perform some functionalities. The OMS will have connectivity with database to central database to retrieve the patient information. The ophthalmologist medical system cannot stop functioning because of the broken network. This is diagram for system architecture. Staff and doctor will connect internet and connect database server, and patient will connect internet and will connect database server. Diagram organization. OMS constant one project manager and three division include technical division, design division, and system engineering division. Each division will be head by the head who specialize in a specific skill. This is diagram organization. Project manager is Amira, and this head have three division: head of technical department division, head of design division, head of system engineering division.
Hi, my name is Amira. I will present on the next topic, which is project schedule and project cost. This diagram here is the hierarchy view of high-level tasks in the project and also highlights their relationship to one another. So the diagram shows the initial work breakdown structure that created for version 1 of this project plan. Okay, next, this is the work breakdown structure. This project will be managed using Gantt chart. This report was designed for the teams with their specific milestone. This is to ensure that the sufficient team would come through from manual system to the systematic system. As you can see here, our project will take about 1 year from the end of 2021 until December 2022. As you can see on the list here, that is the breakdown task for every modules as well as the date of starting and finish the task. Next, for the project cost. Project cost is the total funds needed to complete our system, which is the OMS system. So we have several parts in the project cost. The first one is data conversion and data setup. For the data conversion and data setup cost, it will take around 5,900 ringgit. The next part is for hardware and software requirement specification. It will take around 103,400 ringgit. The next one is the development of new module. The cost is around 38,000 ringgit. Next is for the outright sales customization. The cost will took around 30,000 ringgit. And the next one is for the training or workshop cost. It will take around 5,000 ringgit. And the last one is the cost for rental. It will take around 33,600 ringgit. So overall, for the total cost that will be used for our project is around 215,900 ringgit.
My name is ATHIRAH binti SHUHAIDI. So let's move on to the next slide, which is project risk. Project risk is a failure of meeting the milestone date setup of each development phase. As you can see in this slide, we have discussed with the team members and found out that 6 project risks could be happen in developing the system. However, we also have discussed the risk strategy to handle all the project risks. The next slide is payment schedule. Assume that the estimated of total project cost is 215,900. Payments will be done according to the project progress. As you can see in this slide, the payment will be done according to the deliverable progress. The percentage of all the deliverables must have same with 100%, and the total amount to bill must be same as the estimated total project cost. As a conclusion, we expect that by using this framework, we could develop the product on time, follow as the milestone that has been discussed. We hope that we could archive the scope and objective that has been stayed successful. With this framework, we hope that we could minimize the risk that could be happen anytime during finishing the project. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.